Hello there YouTube, I hope that your day's been going great, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get another third-party app store. And I've actually done a couple of these videos. I've done one on Tutu app and Tweakbox, so you may be familiar there. And this is also how you get apps like Snapchat++ or Instagram++, hacked apps, hacked games, and so on. But there's more than just games and apps, and I'm going to show you that in this app, because this app actually has a lot more than most Cydia alternatives or third-party stores. So that's why it's actually, personally to me, it's the best I've ever seen. And as you can tell, I actually have a ton of Cydia alternatives or third-party app stores. I used to have a lot more than that, but this app actually helped me replace a ton of them because it was just ridiculous, and this app had it off, so why would I keep the other ones? But onto the download. I just want to say, before you actually go ahead and download this, make sure that you check out the developer's Twitter. I will be including that in the description below, because they worked extremely hard on this project, and it actually totally paid off, because you can tell that they worked hard to make it a crisp and clean, user-friendly feeling, just so they can make people happy. And to make this free is absolutely insane, so make sure that you go ahead and support them. But once you've done that, go ahead and go to their website, and as you get there, you'll see this type of interface, and then you'll see a quick trust button, and that just allows for profiles that would normally need to be manually trusted to automatically be trusted, so that's good there. And then if you go down, you can actually see their info, support us, donate, using empty list. They have tons of sources, and this is actually the part that really impresses me. They have jailbreak apps, and not just like a couple like Tweakbox does. They actually have like every single one of them, from iOS 10.2 all the way up to like the latest, which is Electra, and that was on iOS 11.1.2. And they're actually always updating this, like all the time, and they do a very, very good job of it. So it's crazy to think that this is just beginning to like rise. It's a shocker that people haven't been all over this since it dropped. But once you scroll down, you'll actually see a couple apps that have little text beside them. For example, Facebook++. It actually has a tweaked text beside it, and that just means that it has extra functionality. Like in Snapchat++, you can take screenshots without people knowing, things like that. I don't use Facebook, so I wouldn't know. But Instagram++, last time that I used Instagram++, it lets you take other people's photos without watermarks or anything like that. Just repost them back into the app with no extra apps needed. So that's pretty cool there. But if you keep scrolling down, you'll see that there's actually some very, very interesting ones. And there's just so many apps. So many. Like, you could never, ever run out. And again, like I said, they're always updating. So there's no reason to just delete the app if it's not where you want it to be. Just hang out, and I'm sure that it will get up to your standards eventually. Like I said, this pretty much just started getting some media, so It may take a while for it to get a lot, and that's going to help it grow. So make sure that you do support these people because it can help. So please support them. But make sure that you go check out everything in the description. I hope that you like this video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, peace out.